What's up, guys? I'm about to head to the gym, rocking the military green flex shirt today. Levi recommended I try something, so I'm not a big fan of these, but I decided to go ahead and try it after getting Christian Guzman's Up In energy drinks. I just popped open the White Monster, took a taste of it, and I'm not a big energy drink fan, but I'd definitely drink it again. It comes second to me to Up. Up's very, very good. You can get them at Flex Appeal Fitness. They're amazing. I could definitely go with more of these. Very similar taste. Got my partner in crime with me today. So what's up, YouTube? What's up?
Hey, what's up, guys? It's currently Sunday, about to be 1 o'clock. About to head to the gym. It's deadlift day, so a less heavy day, so I'm excited. 6 days out of my tune-up meet here at Flex Appeal Gym in Columbia, Kentucky, and then a little less than 2 weeks for my USPA sanction meet, drug tested, and Bowling Green, Kentucky. So I'm excited. So looking forward to it. But right now I'm heading to the gym. Other than that, ready to kill it. First, I gotta stop by to the store real quick, so see you when we get there. Here in the wind, baby, without warning. I don't believe you.
It is.
Rusty?
You gotta do it the real way.
I forgot it was Monster, so like it foamed up.
Wait, did you just mix that with the? Did you just mix that with Monster together? Yeah.
Chase
That's
it.
fantastic.
Wait. Kill it. Lightweight today, kill it. Easy. Now wait. Whatever it takes. Let's go, bro. Lightweight. Come on, bro. Now wait. Now wait today. Whatever it takes. Up. Let's go, bro. Kill it. Come on. Lightweight. Whatever it takes, bro. Come on. Whatever it takes. Come on. Up. There it is. Now wait. Light him up.
Yeah! Yeah! Let's go!
Yes, sir.
Let's go! Yep!
Come on. Lock it. Up, 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 up.
Let's go!
Come on. Let's go, bro. Come on. Whatever it takes.
Yep. Easy day.
Come on.
Easy day. Yeah.
Come on, bro. Get it up. No excuses. No excuses.
Yeah. Come on.
Lock it. Lock it. Lock it. Yeah. Kill it. Easy. Now wait. Lock it. Come on, bro. Come on. Up. There it is. Come on, bro. Lock it.
Yep. Get it up.
Up.
Yes, sir.
Man. Come on. Whatever it takes, bro. Come on. No excuses. Come on. No excuses, bro. Come on. Come on, bro. Whatever it takes. Come on. Throw it up. Come on. Come on, bro. Up, up, up. Easy. Wait.
Come on, my way. One more play. Let's go. Excellent. Excellent. Let's go. Let's go.
You got it, bro. Now wait. Come on, bro. It takes. That's way too easy, man. Alright, you want it. 2, 3.
Come on. Let's go. Help. Help. Let's go.
Bro. Kill it.
Yep.
Come on, man.
Easy day. Let's go.
1, 2, 3. Hey, what's up, guys? I just got back to my house, running some errands, getting some things done for the house. But it's around noon here. I'm about to go to Walmart, pick up some groceries, and show y'all what I eat on a regular day basis, week in, week out. Right now I'm maintaining for the powerlifting meets coming up, so I'm trying to stay around. Right now I'm like 180, little around 181 morning weight, so that's good. And I range around from 183 to 185 in the evening weight, just depending on what kind of workouts I have. So depending on the meal, so it could range variably. But I just want to show y'all what I eat and what keeps me happy, because food makes me happy. No, but currently July 3rd. Weather's not too bad. You know, I've been having bad weather as of late, like raining, rain. But hopefully we have good weather tomorrow for the 4th of July. But on the other hand, we'll head to Walmart, get some things, and I'll show you when we get back. Let's get started. Bread, the sandwich thins, whole wheat, 100% whole wheat. It's really good for like my sandwiches and stuff, or turkey burgers or whatever. It's 100% whole wheat, 100 calories. Total fats 1 gram, and 22 grams of carb, 5 protein. It's pretty good. Ground beef, I'm a big ground beef guy. I prefer it over chicken, but I like to mix it up. But it's all natural, lean ground beef. I'm a big guy of the 93.7. Speaking of chicken, got the chicken breasts. You know, just regular old boneless, skinless. If I was cutting really like strict diet, I'd cut the fat off. But since I'm like maintaining and I'm at the weight where I want to be, so I'll leave the little fat unless there's just so much fat on there. Large white eggs. I usually get egg whites, but like I said, I usually use that when I'm really dieting and cutting down. But other than that, I mean, eggs are eggs, you know. It's still a good source of protein. My big carb right here is white rice. I eat it with ground beef, my chicken. I mean, it's my go-to. This was my go-to, my jasmine rice. You know, I love this stuff. Let's see. Here we go. I got the 98% fat-free, thin slice smoked turkey breast. That's what I usually make with my sandwiches to see if I'm on the go and stuff. That's really good. I'll tell you the macros here real quick. It's 50 calories per serving size, so it's 4 slices per serving size. Total fats 1 gram, 9 grams of protein, 2 grams of carbs. So I mean that's pretty good. Unless I like want to use a pre-workout meal or something quick. It's my go-to when I want something quick. Oh man, this stuff right here, go-to. You know, I can't believe it's butter. I love that stuff. Ever since I recommended it, got that from first time I ever saw that. It's Christian Guzman. I'm a big fan of him. I subscribed to him. I saw him use it. I was like, I'm gonna try it out. Ever since then, I loved it. Cheese, right here. It's fat-free, 0 grams of fat per serving. Oh shoot. It's 25 calories, total fat 0 of course, 4 grams of protein, 2 carb, 1 sugar. I mean, skim milk. I mean, it's fat-free. You know, it might not taste the best, but you know, whatever gets the job done, right? All right. Milk, almond breeze, unsweetened vanilla. Love this stuff. Growing up, I wasn't big on almond milk. You know, I got away with just drinking 2% whole milk, whatever. But ever since I got to the fitness industry, I love almond breeze, almond milk. You know, I use it with cereal, my shakes, usually pretty much anything. PB2, big peanut butter guy. I usually try to mix it up, but can't go wrong with PB2. Put it in my oatmeal, my shakes, protein pancakes, yogurt. I mean, I mix it all up. Speaking of yogurt, going with this right here. I usually go with Chobani or something like that, but I think I'll try this brand now. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it, so don't even ask. This flavor right here is a chocolate flavor, and I got the other one is salted caramel. Yeah, they were limited on flavors, so, but it's non-fat, 15 grams of protein, which I think the others are around 12 grams of protein. So I mean that's pretty good. With 120 calories. Let's see, 14 grams of carbs, just sugar. So I mean it's not too bad. Something like I want to snack on like before bed or something. Mix it in with a scoop of protein. I mean that's usually my go-to. What I usually try to do is mix it in with a scoop of protein. I'm a big caffeine guy, big coffee guy. Had to go with the instant coffee crystal. Something's wrong with our coffee machine, so like instead of buying a whole new coffee machine, I just had to go with instant coffee. Really clutch when I wake up. You know, if I don't want to drink like my BCAAs in the morning or something, I need a little bit more caffeine, I go with coffee. Lastly but not least, Blue Bunny ice cream. Oh man, if it's, you just try to get a scoop in, maybe serving, maybe up to 2 servings depending on how my macros go for the day. Big sweet tooth guy, right before I go to bed or something. Late at night when I'm just craving something sweet, Blue Bunny. This is my first time trying the mint cookie crunch, so let's see. Hopefully it's good. But last time I had the Blues birthday party, so that was really good. So it's gonna be hard to stop. Let's see. That's what I usually get for the grocery store. I'll show you some other things that I use. Is my weight scale. Let's see. Got the Pam. You know, I gotta get that. The sugar-free reduced calorie syrup, which was really good. You know, I always forget to buy something. You know, I always forget something. Hot sauce, red hot. I usually go that or Cholula or something. You know, always helps out. Like if you don't want to use all that different seasoning or add more taste to it, the red hot sauce is really good. They're 0 calories, 0 fat, 0 carb. You know, it's just something to spice up, give it a little bit more taste. But other than that, guys, that's what I do weekly. You know, it's no secret to it. You know, just yeah. I don't know. I'm stuck. But no, that's what I usually get, and day in, day out, that's what I eat throughout the day, weekly. So hopefully, just give you all some tips on what I go through. You know, so yeah. Hey, what's going on, guys? Levi Perez here. It's currently about to be 12:30. About to head to the gym, get some squats in. I don't know if I'm deadlifting or not. Probably get my deadlift in. You know, get Wednesday, Thursday, Friday off. Who knows yet? See how I feel. But I didn't get any recording yesterday at my lifts. Did my opener on bench. It might be did 360. So I mean, it moved pretty good. You know. So I mean, 355, 360. It's probably gonna might be in my opener. So that went smooth. You know, I actually had a true bodybuilding workout afterwards. You know. Felt great, so hopefully open my opener on squat today. Then if I deadlift, hit my opener on deadlift. But other than that, you know, everything's going good. Hopefully everybody has a great 4th of July. Be out there, be safe. You know, pretty sure I mentioned yesterday that I was hoping we have good weather, but it's raining here, so who knows. Dang, I'm on low battery. God, I stay on low battery. L-Dub. Nah, but about to head to the gym. Hopefully have a good day. Hopefully I hit my openers pretty smooth. And Luke Combs, Hurricane in the background. You know, big country guy. So promise guys, I have a about me and all that stuff here coming pretty soon. So don't worry. You know, just want to let y'all know about me and stuff. So I'll let you know that's coming pretty soon. So, but you know, 4 days out of the Saturday, you know, I'm excited. Tune-up meet, get the flow going. You know, I can't even talk right now. I'm excited. Then a week from this Saturday, the big one, you know, USPA drug tested one. That's the one I'm ready to perform at on the platform. You know, I can throw all this weight around, all this in the gym, but you know, if you don't perform on that platform, you know, all that hard work is for nothing. You know, I'll do so much, you know, for confidence and stuff. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm excited. So enough talking. About to head to the gym, and I'll see y'all then. Hey, what's up, guys? Just left the library, or I'm about to leave the library. Finished up some workout plans, some meal plans. Been over some macros with some of my friends that are clients, and then just, you know, just getting them situated. I was in there for about an hour, and it was just cloudy. Come outside, and it's freaking pouring rain. There's rain every day, but now about to head to the house, get some lunch in me, pre-workout milk, then go hit the gym. Been deloading the past 2 days. I've been feeling good. I hit all my openers, was smooth, felt good. Today I'm having my first legit arm day, and since I don't know how long, but it's gonna be good. Probably be my last day workout for the week. Thursday, Friday. Thursday, tomorrow will probably be like stretch, maybe some cardio. Friday is just completely day off and compete on Saturday. So hopefully this leads up to a great day on Saturday, you know. But whatever the results are, you know, I'm gonna give it my all, 110%, you know, regardless if it's for first, second, third, or wherever I place, you know. I'm just gonna give it my all, and that's all I can do, you know.